Hello everybody. I'm making this video series to document a house that my dad bought as an investment. So anyway, I'll show you the house. So this is the house where the driveway, some junk needs to get put in that dumpster. But anyway, it's a house built in the 60s, 1964 I think. Kind of a cabiny looking house. There's your chimney. So apparently the siding on the house is redwood. That's kind of cool. And these beams that go across the window, or what were the windows that we've ripped out. This is like American chestnut. So that's kind of cool. That's an extinct species of wood. But basically, what happened was the owners of this house left this house vacant for who knows how long, and all the pipes burst in the house, and the house sat full of water for a long time and just became a giant, one massive mold spore. But here's the front of the house. I don't know if that's a good view. I'll go stand on the pier. Here's the house. Got some flagstone on the bottom. You know, sort of a typical 60s house. Got your deck up there. Overlooks this pond. And the property also has that woods in the back. So anyway, should be a nice property once we get done with it. But there's a ton of work that needs to get done. So let's go inside. So this is the inside of the house. We're upstairs right now. You can see, just for reference, that's the driveway where we were. And I'm now upstairs. So this is like, you know, the living room, got the fireplace. As you can see, a lot of demo has already taken place. It used to have drywall and all that junk. But like I said, this is just one big mold spore. So basically we had to rip all that down, and all this insulation and everything has to come out. This is the kitchen, demoed. Probably gonna expand this kitchen, and we'll take these walls out, open this up. I'll show you guys that when I get to it. But this is the deck. Nice view. So everything outside the house is good. But everything inside the house is not good. But that's why we're here. Here's I guess one of the perks of this construction. It's kind of cool. It's got these old beams on up here, so junk that we still haven't gotten out of there. Here, don't just ignore that. And then here we're coming downstairs, and this is where all the bedrooms and stuff are gonna be. We got to board it up, but we've done a lot of demo down here. All of the insulation, drywall, and almost all the framing except for the structural walls are taken out. I didn't film that, but yeah, it's almost gutted. I'm going to be doing a little bit more demo over here on this bathroom, and that's what this video is about today. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick walk around. Here's what we're working with. So anyway, I'll throw you guys up on a time lapse because I'm about to take out this wall. Hello. So the wall's down. Yep, there was a wall there. And the next course of action is to get this glorious tub out of here. So we gotta disconnect this line. And you'll notice that, let me get my glove on here before I stick my hand down in the depths of hell. So yeah, there's just a hole in the floor. There's just gravel, probably some dirt right here. So that's kind of weird. I guess these drain lines run underneath the concrete, but I don't know. New to me. We'll have to. So we'll dig this out, get that disconnected, and rip this tub out of here. Grandpa will be sad. No more sponge baths. Alright, so you just watched me wrestle a bathtub. It was horrible, but it's out. And yeah, this was the bathroom. How's my hair? Good? Oh yeah. But that was what I was wrestling with, but I got it all finally. The problem was the tub needed to go up and this way, but there's this wall here that wasn't allowing it to move. And so, quick little lesson. So these joists in this house go this way. Boom, boom. And this wall sits underneath the joist where it meets the other joist. And so this wall is holding up the house, as is that wall. So basically, we have one big T inside this house, all the way down and all the way across here. And that's what's holding up the whole house. And so that's why we can't take this wall out. And that's what made taking that bathtub so difficult to take out. So anyway, next step is this wall here under the steps can go. It's not holding anything up. So let's get to that. Okay, in true crackhead form, I've taken all the copper out of this wall and thrown it over there. And so now we can just tear the rest of it down. The only one I haven't taken out is this big drain line. And I don't really feel like cutting that right now. Stinky. Anyway. Alright, so we got the tub removed, and this wall is no longer a wall, and that wall is no longer a wall, so that looks a lot better than the old mold. And actually the staircase looks pretty good without all that plaster on it. That's like main thing what I wanted to do. I'll have to get someone else to come down here and move the old wash basin with me. Other than that, yeah, coming along good.